Every journey begins in the soil, where scale starts small.
Here, timing and precision decide everything. Harvest isn't just picking, it's controlled extraction. The real product lies hidden inside. Separation begins the transformation. Uniformity starts with flow.
Clean input defines clean output.
Moisture control starts early.
Balance is everything. Balance is everything at this stage.
Human judgment still matters. Volume builds rapidly. The field's job is complete. How agriculture meets industry. Scale begins to reveal itself on the road. Millions of units move together as one. This region feeds an entire system. Where raw volume becomes refined output.
Every entry is logged and controlled.
Efficiency begins before unloading starts. Input mass defines output planning.
Traceability is non-negotiable.
Positioning must be exact. Integrity is checked before exposure. Raw volume finally meets the factory. Machines stand ready. Processing officially begins. Everything now moves inside a controlled environment. Flow rate defines consistency. Physics does the first sorting. Uniform size begins here. Safety starts before processing. Nothing unwanted moves forward. Surface purity is critical. Cleanliness is engineered. Moisture control continues. Speed replaces time. Machines now see what humans can't. Nothing is wasted. Now, transformation truly begins. Heat prepares structure for precision.
Balance is calculated, not guessed.
Uniform input ensures uniform output. This is where flavor is engineered.
Every second matters.
Motion prevents imbalance. Data governs every decision.
Consistency is actively maintained.
Transformation complete. Heat is carefully removed. Stability is locked in. Perfection is measurable. The process moves forward without pause. The next layer of value begins.
Even distribution is essential.
Flavor is applied with precision. Adhesion is carefully controlled. Every gram is calculated. Consistency is constantly verified. Flavor is now locked in. Time replaces heat. Balance is restored. Uniformity is preserved.
The count per squat meter is consistent.
Yes, the quality is holding steady.
Human oversight confirms the result.
Now, speed takes over.
Scale is about to multiply.
Automation thrives on balance. Every line moves as one system. Machines make decisions in milliseconds. Accuracy replaces estimation. Vision now exceeds the human eye. Precision allows zero compromise. The factory corrects itself. Physical handling becomes digital. Timing is everything. Flow never stops. The product takes its final shape. Millions are measured in minutes. Automation hands off perfection.
Here, processing becomes product.
Identity is added at speed.
Every bag starts as a flat sheet.
Precision defines trust. Integrity is sealed in seconds. Output accelerates without pause. Every gram is verified. Nothing leaves unchecked. Traceability travels with every pack. Order is automated.
Packaging scales upward.
Individual units become bulk. The product is now complete. Every batch faces inspection. Human eyes confirm machine work. Integrity must withstand pressure. Accuracy is non-negotiable.
Shelf life is measured here.
Safety standards are uncompromising.
Flavor is checked by experience.
Only approved product moves forward.
Control prevents costly mistakes. Verified quality rejoins scale. The final journey begins. Confidence is now official.
Scale now shifts from production to movement.
Every shipment starts from the ground up. Speed meets precision. Stability is engineered. Protection is applied instantly. Every pallet knows where it's going. Autonomy keeps pace with demand.
Inventory becomes three-dimensional.
Digital tracking replaces guesswork. Demand drives every decision.
Storage turns back into motion.
The factory prepares to release its product. The handoff is precise.
Final transfer begins.
Precision continues beyond the factory walls. Movement demands stability. The product is now protected. Authorization completes the chain.
Finished goods enter the world.
Scale moves at highway speed.
Distribution multiplies reach.
Global shipping takes over.
One factory, worldwide impact. Millions of bags, one standard. And this is how modern factories produce pumpkin seeds from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.